Welcome to this new video lecture related to grammar. And here we shall discuss about future tense. In future tense, we shall discuss about simple future tense, and in simple future tense we shall discuss about interrogative yes or no type and interrogative WS type. So let's begin. Future indefinite tense, where we are going to study about interrogative yes or no type questions. So what is our topic of the day? Interrogative yes or no type questions. Before continuing, we must know the rule for it. What is the rule? The rule is, I have already told you in future indefinite tense, it is compulsory for all the sentences, whether it is affirmative, negative, interrogative, yes or no type, interrogative, WS type, will or shall will compulsorily be there. So, rule will or shall. I have already told you will for subjects except I and we. With I and we use shall, and then other subjects we use will. Will or shall, then subject, then V1, that is first form of verb, and then after we write object and then question mark. Now we shall talk about sentences. Will you celebrate? Will you celebrate? The Republic Day tomorrow? Question mark. Will you celebrate the Republic Day tomorrow? Yes, we shall celebrate the Republic Day tomorrow. Shall we go to Gorakhpur for picnic? Shall we subject first form of verb to Gorakhpur for what? Picnic. Will Romana speak about elections today? Will Romana speak about elections today? Shall I come to your house. Shall I come to your house for a cup of tea? Will you invite me? Will you invite me for your birthday party? So, will you invite me for your birthday party? Once again, I would like to remind you, will, you, will or shall, then subject, then V1, then object. Will or shall, subject, V1, object. Will, helping verb, will or shall, then subject, then first form of verb, celebrate. So what is the first form of verb here? Celebrate. What? That is object, the Republic Day. Then complement, tomorrow. Shall we go for Gorakhpur? Go to Gorakhpur. We subject. For we or I, we use shall. Shall we go to Gorakhpur for picnic? So we go. Gorakhpur for picnic. Will, for Romana, singular, or any other subject except I and we use will. Will Romana speak, first form of verb, about elections today? Shall I come to your house? So shall I come to your house for a cup of tea? Next, will, for whom? You. Subject is you. Will you invite me? So will you invite, first form of verb. Invite me for your birthday party. So these are examples. We shall discuss some more examples. Will Einstein try to run away? Run away from school. Will Einstein try to run away from school? Surely he tried to run away from school. That is why he managed a medical certificate in nervous breakdown. But the result was the principal himself told him to leave the school. Will the lawyer wish to live in New million. New million. Will the lawyer wish to live in New Million? Initially he wished, but after meeting again Oliver Lutkins, he decided not to live. Next, shall we upload a new video? Shall we upload a new video on grammar? Yeah, surely we will upload a new video for grammar. Shall I continue? Shall I continue to teach English grammar? Shall I continue to teach English grammar in future classes? Yes, I'll continue. Will you help? Will you help that old man? Will you help that old man trying to cross the road? Will you help that old man trying to cross the road? Now, the last sentence in this video. Will you come to school? Will, that is helping verb, will or shall, then subject will. Will you come to school when the government opens it? So the question is, will you come to school when the government opens it? I would like to recapitulate once again. First sentence, will Einstein try to run away from school? Will, subject, first form of verb. Will the lawyer wish to live in New Million? Will the lawyer, that is subject, first form of verb wish. Shall we, with shall we use I or we. With I or we use shall. Upload, first form of verb. A new video on grammar. Then shall I continue to teach English grammar in future classes? Will you help that old man? Will you help? Will you come to school? So in this way, I have told you about future indefinite tense interrogative yes or no type. That's all for the day. Have a nice day.